Hello, student doctors. Welcome to my new YouTube channel. This is an amazing time we are all living through, I have to say. Here and now, we're going to emerge from this on the other side. Change people. I know this is changing me. I'm sure it's changing you and your approach to medicine. What a learning opportunity. Woo! This is interesting. Very interesting. I'll take this opportunity to specifically thank Robert Steele for blasting my name out there. I went from subscribers from basically my family to all of you people in the space of 5 to 10 minutes. Man, welcome to the new age, Grandpa. This is amazing. Just so you know, I'm coming to you from the campus of MSSU, where I've been deemed essential. I'm essential because we're working on something new. Check out these 3D printed masks. A company in town is producing these, and we're trying to figure out a thing or two. You can see this paper on the intrinsic sterility of 3D printing. Turns out that when you're 3D printing with polypropylene, which apparently is not very common, because it heats up, it's like a hot glue gun to 220 some degrees, the strands come out absolutely sterile, and I can prove that. The thing I'm trying to do is inoculate these guys with pathogens. I happen to have E. coli laying around, so I'm growing this 3D mask printing material, which is called single-walled in E. coli, and then trying to sterilize them using various methods. So what you see here are tubes shaking in an incubator. And what you see here is an autoclave. It's a little autoclave that your tuition dollars bought me. Thank you so much for this. It's a very handy little autoclave, perfect for our needs. So the idea is to coat these chunks of 3D printed material in those test tubes with E. coli, and then use various methods to sterilize them, including autoclaving, bleach, soapy water and bleach, hibiclins, Visa-Hex, Visa-Derm. I wish I had a H2O2 vaporizer, but I don't. That would be good. This is an interesting experiment and imminently publishable. So, just so you know, my motivation here is to help people who are going to need it and to publish. That's part of life too. I'm working to become better at voiced over PowerPoints and using all this technology that's being put in front of me to make better videos for instructional purposes. So the last thing I'll do is thank you for listening to me and watching this, and I'll bring you more and more, hopefully of better quality as life goes on. Pretty steep learning curve for Grandpa here, but I'll figure it out.